In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. One lucrative avenue that many individuals are exploring is affiliate marketing. If you're new to the concept and wondering how to get started, this ultimate beginner's guide will provide you with all the information you need to kickstart your journey towards becoming an affiliate marketing pro. Understanding affiliate marketing, what and why. Before diving into the intricacies of affiliate marketing, it's essential to understand what it entails and why it has become such a popular way of earning money online. Affiliate marketing is essentially a performance-based model where individuals promote products or services offered by other businesses. They earn a commission for every sale made through their unique referral link or code. This means that as an affiliate marketer, you don't have to worry about creating your own product or dealing with customer service. Your main focus is on promoting and driving sales. So why should you consider venturing into affiliate marketing? Here are some compelling reasons. Low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant capital investment, starting as an affiliate marketer doesn't require much upfront investment. You can begin with minimal costs by setting up a website or blog and investing in promotional strategies like social media advertising. Flexibility. With affiliate marketing, you have the freedom to choose when and where you work. As long as you have an internet connection, you can manage your business from anywhere in the world at any time that suits your schedule. Passive income potential. Once established, successful affiliates can generate passive income streams by leveraging their existing content and audience base. This means that even while sleeping or taking time off, they continue earning commissions from previous promotions. Wide range of products, services. The beauty of being an affiliate marketer is that there are countless products, services available for promotion. You can choose a niche that aligns with your interests, ensuring you're promoting something you genuinely believe in. How to get started. The how. Now that we've established the what and why of affiliate marketing, let's delve into the practical steps you can take to get started on your journey towards becoming an affiliate marketing pro. Choose your niche. Selecting a niche is crucial as it determines the type of audience you'll be targeting. Consider areas where you have expertise or strong interest, as this will make content creation and promotion more enjoyable for you. Research affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, research different affiliate programs available in that industry. Look for reputable companies with attractive commission rates and reliable tracking systems. Build your platform. Establishing an online platform is essential for promoting products, services effectively. This could be a blog, website, or social media presence, whichever medium suits your niche and target audience best. Create valuable content. Content is king when it comes to affiliate marketing success. Produce high-quality content that provides value to your audience while subtly incorporating product recommendations within relevant articles or videos. Drive traffic to your platform. To maximize your earning potential as an affiliate marketer, focus on driving traffic to your platform through various channels such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media advertising, email marketing campaigns, and collaborations with other influencers in your niche. Monitor performance and optimize. Regularly analyze the performance of different promotions using analytics tools provided by the affiliate programs you're enrolled in. Identify which strategies are yielding better results and optimize accordingly by tweaking content or exploring new promotional avenues. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing presents an incredible opportunity for individuals looking to make money online like a pro without significant upfront investment or product creation hassles. By understanding the basics outlined in this ultimate beginner's guide, from choosing a niche to creating valuable content, anyone can kickstart their journey towards becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Remember, consistency, patience, and continuous learning are key to achieving long-term success in this ever-evolving field. So why wait? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and unlock the potential for financial freedom and flexibility that comes with it.